Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to sync your Gmail contacts to your iPhone. So if you want to sync your Gmail contacts to your iPhone, it's pretty simple, so let's hop right into the video. So what I mean by Gmail contacts to your iPhone is the contacts that you had connected to your Gmail. So maybe you had an Android or something like that and you want to sync all the contacts you had on there to your iPhone. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. So first things first, you want to head over to your settings page, and once you're on your settings page, from here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the option for contacts, as you can see right here. If you can't find it, you can just use the search bar at the top of the screen. But once you find it, you're going to want to head over to it. So click on it and you'll be brought to this page here. On this page, you're going to want to go and find accounts, as you can see right here. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to show these options right here. And here you want to click add account right underneath iCloud. Now once you do that, all these options are going to show up right here, and you want to find Google and go ahead and click on that. It's going to load for a bit and it's going to bring up accounts.google.com, and you're going to want to go ahead and sign into your Gmail that you want to sync the phone or sync the contacts to or from. And once you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and put in your password. And once you do that, it's going to load for a bit, and it's going to might be do two-step verification if you have that activated on your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And as you can see, I just logged in and it's going to load for a bit, and then it's going to ask you to iOS is going to want to access your Google account, so it wants to have you allow access to it. So you're just going to want to go click allow, and once you do that, it's going to load for a bit, and then as you can see, it's loading Gmail, and it's going to show all the contacts from your Gmail, and you're going to want to make sure that you have all these options turned on right here. If you don't want calendar and mail, you can turn that off as well, but you just want to have contacts on, and then you're going to want to go ahead and click save. Once you click save, as you can see, it has Gmail added, and you should have the contacts from your Gmail added to your iPhone. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.